So we have already seen how to solve a pair of linear equation by graphical method. So when we solve a pair of linear equation, do you think that always we will get two intersecting lines? No. Sometimes the lines may be parallel like this. Sometimes there will be only one single line. So what does that mean? A system of two linear equations in x and y has unique solution if the graph lines intersect at a point. It has got infinitely many solutions if two graph lines coincide, and it has got no solution if the graph of the two equations or two lines are parallel. So here, if the linear equation graph intersect, that means it has got a unique solution. Now if you draw the graph of a pair of linear equation in two variables, and if it is parallel, that means it has got no solution. And if the graph of a pair of linear equation coincide, that means both, when you draw the graph for both the equation, they will be lying in the same line. That means it has got many solution. And we know that when a pair of linear equation has got solution, we will say those two system of equation as consistent, whereas if it does not has any solution, then we will say such type of equation as inconsistent. So if you see parallel line, that means those pair of linear equation has no solution and it is inconsistent, whereas if it is intersecting line or a single line or the coincident line, then we can say that it has got either unique solution or many solution, and such type of equation are consistent. Now without actually drawing, seeing the equation, how can you say that whether the graph will be parallel, intersecting or coincident lines? So in today's video, we are going to see that without actually drawing the graph, by seeing the equation only, you can say that whether they have intersecting lines or no solution, or parallel lines or coincident lines. So let's see how to find that. Now consider the equation 4x minus 2y equal to 4, 2x plus y equal to 6. You can see that when you solve this by graphical method and when you draw the graph, we are getting two intersecting line and the solution is 2, 2. That means x will take 2 and y is also 2. So this pair of linear equation has got unique solution, and when you draw the graph of this equation, you are getting intersecting lines. Now just we will compare their coefficient. For example, a1 by a2, I will find out b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So when you compare the coefficient, you can see that is 4 by 2 minus 2 by 1 and 4 by 6. You can say that 4 by 2 is 2, which is not equal to minus 2, and which definitely it is not equal to 2 by 3. So what can you infer from this? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So that means it has got unique solution. We have already seen this condition, and this type of equation is consistent. Also, now we can see that if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, the graph of such equation will be intersecting. So looking at the equation without solving graphically, without drawing the graph, we can say that the graph of this equation is intersecting lines, because a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, and we are getting a unique solution. So now consider the next equation 2x plus 3y equal to 8, 2x plus 3y equal to 4. When I have drawn the graph, I have got two parallel lines. So we will just compare the coefficient a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is 2 by 2, b1 by b2 is 3 by 3 and c1 by c2 is 8 by 4. So you can say that this is 1 equal to 1, which is not equal to 2. So what does that mean? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. We have already seen that if this is the condition, that means it has this system of equation has got no solution. They are inconsistent. And now we can generalize that if the graph of pair of linear equation in two variable is two parallel lines, then we can say that they are inconsistent or they don't have no solution. So looking at the equation, we can say that whether the graph will be parallel or intersecting lines. So for the condition to be two lines to be parallel, the condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then the graph will be intersecting line, and if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2, then the graph will be parallel lines. Those type of equations are called as inconsistent equation, and it will not have any solution. Now let's see the third system of equation, that is 2x plus 2y equal to 10, x plus y equal to 5. When I have drawn the graph, I got a coincident line. Both the graphs are in single line. You can see when I have drawn the graph of the first equation, I have got this line, and when I have drawn the graph of the second equation, they are also lying in the same line. So they are coincident lines. Such lines are called as coincident line. Now let's compare the coefficients of this. A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So the first coefficient is 2 by 1. Second one is also 2 by 1. You can see the coefficient of y is 2 and coefficient of y here is 1. Third one is 10 by 5. You can simplify this. This is 2 equal to 2 equal to 2. That means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So when A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, those pair of linear equation will be having many solution. Now we can generalize that if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, then the graph of those pair of linear equation in two variables will be coincident, and also those system of equation will be consistent. So if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by B2, it will be coincident, and if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then the equation will be intersecting lines. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, then it will be intersecting lines, and if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2, it will be parallel lines. And if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, then it will be coincident lines. So looking at the equation directly, you can say whether, just compare their ratios of the coefficients, and you can say that whether it is intersecting line, parallel line or coincident lines. So if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, then we can say that the graph will be parallel line, it will be inconsistent equation, and such type of equation will have no solution. Now if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then we can say that the graph of such pair of linear equation will be intersecting lines, the equation will be consistent, and it will have unique solution. In the same way, if we have A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, such type of equation will be always consistent, and the graph of those equation will be coincident lines, and it will be having infinitely many solution. So let's do some of the problems. So on comparing the ratios, find out whether the lines representing following pair of linear equation intersect at a point parallel or coincident. First question is 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. So we will compare the coefficient now. A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So when you compare 5 by 7 minus 4 by 6 and 8 divided by minus 9, definitely this is not equal. So we can say that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore we can say that the linear equation, they will be having intersecting lines. When you draw the graph of such equation, you will be having intersecting lines. Now the second equation is 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0, 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. So again we will compare their coefficients. So when we are comparing their coefficient, we have 9 by 18, 3 by 6 and 12 by 24. When you simplify this, you will be getting half for each ratio. All are equal. So we can say that A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. That means it has got many solution and the graph will be coincident. Graph will be coincident line and such type of equation will be consistent. Now the third one, 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So again we will compare their coefficients. So when you compare their coefficients, 6 by 2 minus 3 by minus 1 and 10 by 9. 6 by 2 is 3, minus 3 divided by minus 1 is 3, 10 by 9 will write as such. This is equal, but A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. That means the graph of those pair of linear equation will be having parallel lines. It will have no solution and such type of equation are inconsistent. So thank you for watching the video.